Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail not receiving emails on iPhone. So to start, go ahead and open your settings. Then from here, go to General, then scroll down and go to iPhone storage. Next, scroll down and open Gmail. Next, click Offload app. Click Offload app once more. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. And by reinstalling the app, it will place back your data. So if you see reinstall app, just click on that to reinstall the app. You can also click delete app. So this will delete the app and all related data from this iPhone or from your iPhone. So if you choose to delete app, you can go back to or go to Google Play Store or App Store, then install Gmail again. So just wait for it to be reinstalled. And once this finish, go ahead and open Gmail again and see if that works. Next is to go to App Store or Play Store. Then from here, search for Gmail, open it. Then if you see an update button in there, just click on that to install any available updates and make sure you're using the latest version. Next is to refresh the Gmail app. So open the Gmail app and swipe down from the top of your inbox, just like so, to refresh your emails manually. Then see if that works. Next is to restart your iPhone. So, restarting your iPhone can clear temporary glitches that may prevent Gmail from syncing. So, once you're done, go ahead and open Gmail again and see if that works. Next is to update iOS. So, go to Settings, then scroll down to General, then go to Software Update, then install the latest iOS version if one is available. Then go ahead and open Gmail and see if that works. And that's it.